Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Little Red Wagon is probably one of the most iconic and versatile toys that has brought joy to generations of children, offering a simple yet profound way to engage with the world around them. It's more than just a toy, it's a vessel for imagination, a tool for learning, and a companion for countless adventures, from hauling treasures to embarking on imaginary journeys across the backyard frontier. This classic piece of Americana continues to capture hearts with its timeless design and endless play possibilities, making it a staple in many childhoods. Number 5. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon with Canopy. Discover 3 ways to ride with this amazing wagon. It can seat 2 little ones comfortably or convert into a handy bench. It's perfect for kids aged 1.5 and up. Keep your little adventures cozy with thick padded seats. The UV canopy provides shade, protecting them from the sun during neighborhood walks or beach days. Enjoy a smooth journey on any terrain thanks to its EVA foam tires. The durable fabric wipes clean easily, making it perfect for all your messy adventures. This wagon folds flat with just one hand, making storage a breeze. It also features convenient cup holders and a storage pouch for your essentials. For over 100 years, we've inspired imaginative play with our iconic products. We are committed to creating lasting toys that bring joy to families. What we like. This wagon offers 3 distinct modes: 2 riders, bench seating, or hauling. It also features a UV canopy for sun protection and folds flat with one hand for easy storage. If you have young children and are looking for a versatile wagon that can adapt to different needs, from carrying kids to hauling gear, this is a great choice. What people say. The wagon is sturdy and well-made, perfect for hauling toys or garden supplies. Easy to assemble and maneuver, even on rough terrain. The large capacity makes it ideal for carrying multiple items. Number 4. VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Garden Cart. Introducing the VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Garden Cart, designed for powerful performance and exceptional durability. It's built to handle your toughest hauling tasks with ease. With a maximum load capacity of 880 pounds, this cart can carry more than double what competitors offer. It's perfect for moving large amounts of materials around your property. Crafted from fully welded, high-quality metal, this cart is rust-resistant, solid, and built for a long service life. Its tough mesh bed and sturdy construction ensure reliability. Equipped with large, pneumatic tires, it offers excellent shock absorption and noise reduction. These tires adapt to various terrains, providing a smooth and stable ride. The flexible 180 degrees turning handles allow for easy steering in any direction. Its ergonomic design makes hauling even heavy loads comfortable and efficient. Need to haul oversized items? Simply remove the mesh sides to convert it into a flatbed trailer. This versatility makes it ideal for all your general yard work needs. What we like. This cart boasts an impressive 880 pounds capacity, making it incredibly robust for heavy-duty tasks. Its removable sides offer flexibility for carrying large or awkwardly shaped items, and the pneumatic tires provide a smooth ride over uneven terrain. If you're tackling significant yard work, moving heavy garden supplies, or need to transport substantial loads, this cart is built for the job. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and sturdy. It has a large capacity for hauling toys and other items. The wagon is made of durable materials that can withstand outdoor use. Number 3. Radio Flyer Push and Pull Walker Wagon. Support your little one's early walking journey with this stable and smooth rolling walker. It's designed to help them build confidence and coordination as they explore their world at their own pace. Spark creativity with the included bubble wand and chalk. Encourage imaginative outdoor play on driveways, sidewalks, or at the park. This versatile walker starts as a secure push walker with a locking handle, then easily converts into a pull wagon. It's perfect for carrying favorite toys or friends along for the ride. Crafted with durable materials for everyday adventures, this wagon is perfect for both indoor fun and outdoor activities on various surfaces. It's built to last for countless playtimes. For over 100 years, we've inspired joyful play. This product continues that tradition, sparking imagination while caring for future generations. What we like. This product starts as a stable push walker to help toddlers gain confidence and then converts into a pull wagon for carrying toys. It even comes with a bubble wand and chalk for added fun. If you have a young child who is just learning to walk and you want an engaging toy that supports their development and encourages outdoor creativity, this is perfect. What people say. The wagon is sturdy and well-built, perfect for hauling gardening supplies. Easy to assemble and maneuver, even with a heavy load. The large capacity is great for carrying multiple items at once. Number 2. Collapsible Folding Wagon Garden Cart. Introducing our versatile folding wagon, designed to make your outdoor adventures and daily errands a breeze. It's your perfect helper for shopping, camping, and beach trips. This sturdy cart is crafted from durable 600 denier fabric, capable of carrying up to 150 pounds of your essentials. It's ideal for transporting groceries, gardening tools, or sports equipment. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its 4 all-terrain wheels, including 360-degree rotating front wheels. It rolls smoothly on cement, sand, grass, and more. Featuring an adjustable handle for comfortable transport, this wagon folds down compactly. It easily stores in your car trunk or closet, making it incredibly space-saving. Constructed with a heavy-duty frame, it reliably carries your gear wherever you go. Please note, this is not intended for use as a children's wagon. Whether you're heading to the park, the beach, or just need help with gardening, this wagon simplifies carrying your items. Enjoy convenience on all your outdoor activities. What we like. This wagon features 6.5-inch all-terrain wheels that can handle various surfaces like sand, grass, and pavement. It can carry up to 150 pounds and folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. If you frequently go to the beach, park, or need a reliable helper for shopping and picnics, its versatility and portability make it an excellent companion. What people say. The wagon is sturdy and well-built, perfect for hauling toys or gardening supplies. Easy to assemble and maneuver, even on uneven terrain. The large capacity makes it ideal for carrying multiple items at once. Number 1. UNITON Double-Decker Wagon. Introducing the UNITON Double-Decker Wagon, designed to make hauling heavy loads effortless. With its robust construction, it's ready for any task. This wagon boasts an impressive 600 pounds total load capacity, with each deck supporting up to 300 pounds. It's perfect for carrying all your outdoor gear or household items with ease. With a generous 400L capacity, it can accommodate a wide range of items. This makes it ideal for shopping, camping, or even moving. Need to transport longer items? Unfolded to 54 inches, it's perfect for those oversized items that won't fit in a standard wagon. Featuring large 7-inch wheels designed for all-terrain use, it rolls smoothly over grass, gravel, and more. No matter where your adventure leads, you can rely on it. No assembly required. It's ready to use in seconds with a quick and simple setup. Plus, it folds compactly for easy storage in your trunk or garage. We stand by our product with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and 60-day free returns. Our team is always here to help with any questions or concerns. What we like. This wagon offers a unique double-decker design with a total capacity of 600 pounds, allowing you to carry more items or larger, bulkier gear. Its extended 54-inch length is ideal for oversized items. If you're heading out for camping, fishing, or need to transport large equipment, this wagon's substantial capacity and length make it the ultimate hauling solution. What people say. This wagon is sturdy and well-built, perfect for hauling groceries or garden supplies. The large wheels make it easy to maneuver over rough terrain, like grass or gravel. It folds up compactly for storage, which is a great feature for small spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.